Welcome back to the mountain view. I know it's been a while since I've been here with one of these videos, but we've kind of been held up a little with the virus and that kind of thing. Not a lot of ability to get out to stores and get things we needed, and had a little trouble renting the apartment. That's done now. We do have somebody in there. So the next thing we're doing is upstairs. We're working on apartment 4 and apartment 3. Apartment 4 will be done first, and that will be turned into a B&B room. The first thing we have to do is make the porches safe. Excuse me. If you remember, the mountain view has a double porch on the front, first floor and second floor. And right now those have wrought iron railing and wrought iron posts. Those are rusted, they're not safe, and they frankly don't match the look of the house. The house is a Victorian house, and this wrought iron is not very Victorian looking. We're going to change that out, and we have found wooden posts in a wall, and we're going to duplicate those and turn them into porch posts. We're going to be using these 6x6s today to cut some new posts for the porches at the mountain view. We got into the back wall of this building and we found that it had been boxed in from a porch earlier, and the posts were still in the wall, so we were able to determine what kind of design those posts were. And they're really simple, really straightforward. They're a chamfered post that has a square bottom and a square top. This will be a newel post here for the stairs, and those three back there behind the camera will be our posts for the first floor porch. When we do these, we'll get more later and do the second floor porch as well. We'll kind of show you what we're going to do here with a router. Basically, we're going to choose a distance here on each side that will give us the correct cut, and then we're going to use a router to cut into this on the corners and leave an uncut space at the top and bottom so it'll stay square. One and an 1/8 inch, I think. Okay, we've got two lines on this. This is the cut line right here, and this is a stop line for the router. We've clamped a wooden stop to this, so when the router goes in, it'll go straight against the plate of the router, will go straight against this, and it'll start cutting here at the cut line. The chamfer will come all the way up to here, and the router plate will hit this stop, and this will pull back out, and that'll give you a cut line to here where this slopes in. This is just some little scrap boards we picked up, and we've got them clamped to the 6x6. Okay, we've done the newel post. We did a little practice first to make sure we knew what we were going to be, what the measurements were going to be to get it right. And we've done that on this now, on the posts. So let me show you what we're going to do. Let me flip this around and you'll see that. And this is one of the cuts on the post. As you can see, this goes in here where we have the cut line marked. Follows this down and comes out here where the other cut line is marked. And that completes a post on this. We've done this on 2 sides, and each corner is now chamfered.
She was going back up to the house way a while ago.
The last one.
Oh, watch out.
Yeah, no,
I got it.
I got this for you.
Oh, shit. I'm good right now.
I went almost all the way through.
How do you do?
Okay, we've finished this newel post, and we'll be putting this up probably tomorrow. We'll do another video when we do that. Until then, join us again at the Mountain View. Thanks for coming.